How to cancel Venmo payment in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to cancel Venmo payment. It's not something difficult, it's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're going to be able to cancel Venmo payment, okay? So just follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video and you're going to be able to cancel Venmo payment, okay? So the first thing that we need to do is to go to your phone, and after going to your phone you need to go directly to your Venmo app and open it, okay? So after opening your Venmo app you need to go to me profile, okay? So first you're gonna find this page, and after finding this page, as I told you, you need to go to me where your profile exists on Venmo. Okay, this is your profile, and here you're gonna find transactions. Okay, you just need to click on it. And here there are all your transactions on Venmo, and for example, for this transaction you're gonna find cancel, okay? You just need to click on cancel and you're gonna be able to cancel your Venmo payment. As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow or some simple clicks that you need to make on Venmo, and you're gonna be able to cancel Venmo payment, okay? That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.